Paul, how was your vacation?
Oh, good. Really good. Thanks for asking.
Oh, sure. Well, tell me about it.
All right. Well, we traveled all over the country.
Yeah?
We even did some hiking in the mountains. Yeah, unfortunately, we didn't have hiking boots, so we had to wear regular shoes.
Oh.
That wasn't very comfortable.
Yeah.
Say, you want to see my pictures? They're here on my laptop. I took some great shots.
Oh.
1,000 altogether.
Whew, sorry, but I really don't have time right now. Maybe some other time. Yeah, so no problems, right?
Not really. Oh, well, we did have one problem, now that I think about it.
What?
Well, I lost my passport. That was while we were in Seoul.
Oh my gosh, that's pretty serious. What happened?
Well, I left it in our hostel, under the bed.
Oh.
But the receptionist called me on my cell phone and told me she found it, and she mailed it to where we were staying in Busan.
Wow, that was lucky. So, do you think you'll go back to South Korea again?
Sure. You should go too, you know. It's kind of expensive to get there, but it's a wonderful country.
Next, Beth.
Beth, you're back. You look great.
Thanks.
Tell me about your vacation.
Well, we spent a lot of time on the coast. We went all the way up to Brisbane and then Cairns.
Oh, did you do a lot of swimming?
No, the water was too rough for swimming. But we did take a few surfing lessons.
Whoa.
And then we went on a boat trip and visited the Great Barrier Reef.
Wow. So, are you a good surfer now?
Well, not too bad. That was fun. But the reef was incredible. All those fish.
Yeah, it sounds wonderful. So, did anything go wrong?
Well, not till the very end of the trip.
Uh-oh. What happened?
Well, it was time to come back, but I couldn't find my plane ticket.
You lost your ticket?
No, I did find it in the end, but by the time I got to the airport in Sydney, it was really late. It was past the check-in time, and they wouldn't let me on the plane.
So you missed your flight?
Yes, I had to wait 24 hours till the next flight.
Oh. So, do you think you'll go back to Australia again?
Oh, definitely. I can't wait to go again.
Finally, Mike.
Mike, you're back. How was your trip?
Great. I spent a lot of time with Ken and Haro, which was nice. They took me around and helped me with things like ordering food. That's pretty hard when you can't read the menu. The food was excellent, though.
Oh, wow. How are Ken and Haro? I haven't seen them for so long.
They're fine. Same as ever. Oh, they have a little girl now. She's 4 years old.
Oh, I knew they had a baby. She's 4 already?